Prime Minister maybe has told
Enough.
his speech, but it
Enough.
was a 100%
Firstly,
favorably, it was a political speech
all Algerians of the
where
world.
the education was discussed
all Indians will be treated
in his speech, or the affairs of the
Enough.
student.
I think if these two gentlemen allow me to speak, let me have.
Asghar, you're being
Sir,
you're
let
being
me
you're
have my
being
time,
very
sir.
petty.
Thank you
The
very much.
Tanveer is on the debate with
Arnab-
Zafar Sareshwala.
Arnab,
Yeah.
Arnab, firstly, I just quote Allama Iqbal who says मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Prime Minister's speech was absolutely welcoming. I think every Muslim, every Indian need to really stand up and applaud. It was absolutely a beautiful talk which Prime Minister has said, and which is 100% true about Aligarh Muslim University, which has contributed immensely for nation building, not from today, for last 100 years. They have given greatest of freedom fighters, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a great visionary. That is one part of discussion. And second part, I think a couple of people who are sitting on the panel who are doing petty politics about Hajj and all, I think it is a different discussion. Today it is not needed, Maulana Sahab, to really discuss that. But when I say
Maulana,
this,
hear
I
that.
also
Maulana, hear that.
worry
Come
about.
on.
So I think Sudhanshu
Come on, even Tanveer tears into you tonight. Tanveer and Maulana are debating
to really
tonight.
answer.
Tanveer on the left. Yeah.
Sudhanshu ji.
Keep on talking shit about the.
हाँ मौलाना साहब आज हमारा मुद्दा एजुकेशन का है. नहीं I think you need to really rise now. You need to really rise now today. It is not an occasion, Maulana Sahab. I belong to a religion which says La Ikraha fi Din. I belong to a religion which says Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. I belong to a religion which says No. Today is not the time for you to play your petty politics. Let us speak about Aligarh Muslim University. Prime Minister's speech. What Prime Minister spoke about today? The Prime Minister was talking about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Let our youth, the Muslim youth, let them get an equal opportunity to really excel in education. Let the Muslim girls come out and really say, contribute towards nation building. Hajj, all those things, that discussion can wait today. Maulana Sahab, Hajj wala discussion wait kar sakta hai. आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर किसी जात का नहीं होता है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर भारत का होता है. मुझे प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ पॉलिटिकल डिफरेंसेस है, रहनी भी चाहिए, पर आज की बात नहीं. आप
और हिंदू जो जाते हैं चाइना को वहां पर आईटी.
अरे मौलाना साहब, फॉरेन पॉलिसी होती है, हर कंट्री की एक फॉरेन पॉलिसी होती है, उसका डिबेट अबे कभी और कर लीजिएगा. आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में जो कहा, वहां के छात्रों के बारे में जो कहा, वहां के कंट्रीब्यूशन के जो बारे में कहा, अरे आप बता दीजिए, अगर आप गले नहीं लगाएंगे अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को तो आप क्या मैसेज दे रहे मौलाना साहब? ये नहीं चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा. अगर पॉलिसीज के ऊपर आप डिफर करना है तो बोलिए, मैं 100 पॉलिसीज नरेंद्र मोदी की डिफर करूंगा, पर आज की बात पर डिफर ना आप करेंगे ना मैं करूंगा. तमाम हिंदुस्तानी, तमाम मुसलमान, तमाम अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्र और छात्राएं इसको इस्तेमाल करेंगे ओपन हाथों से और गले लगाएंगे.
मुसलमान को दो नजरों से क्यों देखते हैं?